Hi guys, it's Holly. It is Veda Day 22, which is, if this is MTV Cribs, show us what's in your fridge. I'm just going to fair warn you that I haven't done any grocery shopping yet, so it looks like a bachelor fridge. It's empty, has alcohol or beer and pizza in it. So yeah, I guess I'll just show you. Yeah. Some pizza, some chicken. Alcohol, milk. Eggs. Fruit. It's empty. My husband does the grocery shopping. I don't. I refuse to grocery shop. But, yeah. Sorry if you can't hear me very well. I woke up with like a massive headache. My head was stuffy and my throat hurt. So, I think it's that time of year where I'm going to start getting sick. So, alright. So that was Veda Day 22. Yeah. Very bare fridge. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.